What is the cash basis of accounting? Cash basis accounting is a little bit different from the accrual basis of accounting. If you remember, accrual basis refers to when you earn a revenue or incur an expense. Cash basis of accounting only cares about recording transactions when you actually receive or actually spend cash. A prime example of cash basis accounting is used on your tax return each year. The IRS only cares about the cash you received and the cash you spent during the year. The IRS doesn't care about money you're owed from other people or money you plan on spending in the future. All that matters is the cash transactions. To learn more about this topic and many others through audio lectures, video lectures, and study guides, head over to www.thelearningbeanonline.com. Link is in the description below. If you have any questions, add them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe so we know to answer more of your questions.